1958 King Sport King camper. That's on my 1965 F250 factory 4x4. I was looking on YouTube. I didn't see a whole lot of videos on vintage truck campers, so I figured I'd post one real quick. It's kind of unusual. It has the kitchen set up front here. Normally they're off to the side over here, and then the cabinets are more towards the front, and it's easier to get to the bed. It's a twin XL bed. I have a little TV crank in there with the Highway Patrol on it. Just a real quick, simple video. Of course, I got the fishing pole rack there. Ice box. Again, 1958. I don't think they had the electric refrigerators at that time, or not the 12 volt anyways. They might have had propane, but anyways, that's it.